Hey, so here I have a really unusual master lock. This is a refrigerator lock for at like restaurants and stuff to lock up the walk-in refrigerators or freezers. This is what you would lock them with, these Master Lock 101. And it is a replaceable core lock. It's a rekeyable. And I'm gonna pick it. I'm going to use if I can top it a keyway with a 15 thousandths pick. This is not a regular Master Lock keyway. It's actually a mirrored version of it. And there we go. Got it picked. There we go. It's just a simple 5-pin lock from Master Lock.